Here we want to find the length of the unknown side, and we're given a right triangle with one of the legs at 5 rad 3 centimeters and one of the legs at 10 centimeters. The hypotenuse is unknown. Let's call that unknown side x. Well, anytime you see a right triangle and they're talking about lengths, the first theorem you should think of is always the Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. A and B can be either of the legs, so I'll just arbitrarily choose that one to be A and that one to be B, but C always has to be the hypotenuse in this formula. Okay, so let's plug all this in. We have A squared, so we have 5 rad 3 quantity squared, plus B squared, 10 squared, equals C squared, x squared. And then we're simply solving for x, right? When we square 5 rad 3, we get 25 times 3, plus 100, 10 squared equals x squared. So that's 75 plus 100, 175 equals x squared. All right, we'll take the square root. We're not going to put on a plus or minus because we don't have a negative distance, right? Distance is always positive. So we'll just take the positive square root. X equals square root of 175 centimeters. Okay, there we go. If we're sticking in pure math, if we want to measure this somehow, we need something that's more concrete. So let's do a decimal just to be on the safe side. Put that in the calculator. Let's round it to 1 decimal place. That gives us x is approximately 13.2 centimeters. So read the exercise carefully to figure out if they want it left in pure radical form or a decimal approximation.